In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT Plus for cheap in 2026 using a simple step-by-step method that many users are already using online. If you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus directly through the official website, the price is usually around $20 per month. For many users, especially students, creators, and developers, paying that price every month can become expensive over time. That's why many people search online for cheaper ways to get ChatGPT Plus while still enjoying the same premium features. Today, I'm going to show you a marketplace where you can find ChatGPT subscription top-ups at much lower prices. The platform is called Kinguin. Kinguin is a well-known digital marketplace where users can buy software licenses, game keys, and subscription services. One of the interesting categories on the platform is ChatGPT top-up products. On the ChatGPT subscription page, you can find multiple plans, including ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT Go Plan, and even ChatGPT Pro. Let's take a look at some of the available offers. For example, one of the best-selling products is ChatGPT Plus Global 1 month. Some sellers list this plan starting from around $2.43. There are also similar 1-month ChatGPT Plus offers starting around $3, depending on the seller. If you want to save even more money long-term, there are also 12-month ChatGPT Plus plans. Some of these yearly plans are listed starting around $30 for a full year of ChatGPT Plus. That can be significantly cheaper compared to paying the official monthly subscription. Another option available on the page is the ChatGPT Go Plan for 12 months. This plan can start around $12 for the year, depending on the listing. For users who want the highest tier, there are also ChatGPT Pro subscription options. The Pro plan listings start around $146 per month. Another important detail is delivery speed. Most of these listings show a delivery speed of about 1 hour after purchase. This means once you complete the order, the seller typically processes the top-up fairly quickly. Some offers also mention direct top-up delivery. Direct top-up usually means the subscription is applied directly to your account instead of sending a redeemable code. Before purchasing, it's always a good idea to check the seller rating, stock availability, and product description. Many listings show very high stock numbers, sometimes over 9,000 units available. Now let's talk about payment methods. Kinguin supports a wide range of payment options. These include PayPal, major credit cards, PaySafeCard, cryptocurrency, and online banking. In many countries, local payment methods are also supported depending on your region. This makes it easy for users around the world to purchase digital subscriptions. The platform also uses encryption and fraud detection systems to protect transactions. If there is ever an issue with a purchase, you can contact the seller directly or open a support ticket. There is also a resolution center where you can report problems related to activation or delivery. And if a product hasn't been redeemed yet, you may be able to request a cancellation or refund depending on the product conditions. If you want to check the latest ChatGPT Plus deals, you can open the link in the video description. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to get ChatGPT Plus for cheap in 2026.